Welcome to a quick practical guide on how to search for a channel on WhatsApp Web on PC with the latest update. If you're ready to dive in, let's get right into it. First, open WhatsApp Web on your computer and scan the QR code if needed to sign in. Once you're in, you'll notice the familiar left-hand workspace where all your chats live. The new update makes channels easier to access right from that sidebar. From the left sidebar, locate and click on Channels. This new panel is designed to keep channel content neatly organized, separate from your individual chats. If you don't see channels immediately, hover over the icons or expand the sidebar to reveal more options. WhatsApp has streamlined the layout to get you to channels faster. With channels open, you'll see a search bar at the top of the panel. Click into the search field and type the exact name of the channel you're looking for. You can enter partial names as well, and the search will filter results in real time as you type. After you've entered the channel's name, press enter or look for the search icon to initiate the query. WhatsApp Web will display a list of results that match your input. The results are typically ordered by relevance, so the channel you're after should appear near the top if the name is correct. Scan through the results to find the channel you want. If there are multiple channels with similar names, use the channel descriptions or profile pictures to differentiate them. When you spot the right channel, click on it to open its channel page right within WhatsApp Web. From the channel page, you can read updates, join if it's a public channel, and stay in the loop with the latest post. If you're not subscribed yet, look for a join or follow option and click it to start receiving updates in your WhatsApp channels feed. If you ever need to refine your search, you can return to the search bar, adjust your keywords, or filter by channel type if those options are available in this update. The goal is to quickly locate the exact channel and begin engaging with its content without leaving WhatsApp Web. That's the streamlined approach to finding a channel on WhatsApp Web on PC with the new update.